MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by a wig that I have literally been stalking since last year. I don't know if you remember when the unicorn wig came out last summer, and I feel like it took the wig community by storm. And I also was completely in love with it. From divatrust.com. So do check them out. There's also a link that they have for the promotions that they're running all the time. So do check out that link and save some money. But anyway, so this wig is from It's a Wig, and of course we saw her in this beautiful unicorn color. But then I had no idea, and I've never seen anyone rock out the other color. Yes, this wig came in another color, unicorn pink. So I saw that and I was like, ooh, this peachy color that fades into the pink. I mean, this is pretty much completely up my alley. Like, absolutely love, and really like showcasing it, as I haven't seen it like anywhere. I haven't seen any photos of people wearing it other than the model. So let's just get talking about this amazing unicorn wig. So she is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to curl her. Now this style is in the body wave. Now she comes in several different styles of curls or straight or whatnot, but I love myself a body wave. So of course, I got myself a body wave. Just talking about a little bit of the construction and whatnot, but she actually has pre-cut baby hairs right here, which is really great. So that's a really great little feature. She does have medium toned lace right here, and she has ear to ear lace as well. She also has, I'd say, about a 3-inch parting right here. So she has a middle parting. We're gonna flip her around to see what kind of look she's gonna give. She also has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. She also has 2 little combs right here in the front, and then she has 1 comb right here back with the fasteners. Her lace cap is actually pretty light, and the density also feels pretty nice as well. I have not brushed her, so this is how she comes straight out of the gate. All right, so let's put her on. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. I really like these wig caps a lot. I put my wigs on front to back. Ooh, so here she is. Wow, my gosh, the color is beyond striking. Okay, let's take a look at the hairline. So we can take a look. Of course, pre-cutting it. Of course, you can see these cute little baby hairs all along the hairline. Of course, pre-plucking that hairline would be key for your wig life success, but not bad at all. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace off really quick. And I'm totally starting to fall in love with this girl. So I have my wig brush. I'm just gonna lightly brush her out really quick. And here she is, lightly brushed out with these gorgeous body wave. Wow, I absolutely am in love. And I felt like she has very minimal to average shedding upon brushing her. Really great. So let me stand up a little bit. So she's probably at the 20 inches at the very bottom right here, which is honestly really great length. I really dig it. And also, like I said, the density isn't like hugely like overwhelming, so I feel like it's very easy to wear. And of course, with summertime, easy to wear to those festivals and having a good time. Okay, so let's play with the parting as I usually do. So I'm gonna flip her, as she does have a center part. I'm gonna flip her on my left eyebrow to see what kind of look she's gonna give. So So this is doable on this side, and she kind of almost has a little bit of a pop-up kind of right here. So it looks like you can probably even really give her maybe even like a little retro or sultry little look, as you can see. So that's pretty great. All right, so let's flip her on the other side to see if she gives a different look. Oh, interesting. So this side I feel is maybe a little flatter. What do you guys think? I do like this because this does definitely give a different look. And of course, by all means, you could play up with this part and give her more of a pop if you choose. So this is definitely doable. This wig is just as good as I thought it would be, so I absolutely love this wig. It is so extremely fun. I would really love to know if you have the unicorn wig or if you have this unicorn pink wig. I would seriously love to know and love to see you in it. So do reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you wearing your wigs and being amazing, because life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. But this is a great wig to wear for a weekend, if there's a music festival. You know, summertime is all about having fun and kind of like maybe living a little bit more in color. And why not do it in one of these unicorn wigs? And of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous and amazing in this unicorn body wave wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.